Hey guys, welcome back. Douglas's Model Garage's videos here. On Christmas Day, I'm going to be putting this up for tomorrow's video, but it's going to be Friday's video. So I hope you guys all watch it and show it to you. But I finally finished the Southern Stalker Grand Prix. Did it my own way. It's more of a Red Baron Pontiac to me. So well, let's get the show going on the road here. All right. Well, got a beautiful kind of two-tone red Pontiac Grand Prix right here that looks like a Regal and a Monte Carlo all together. Got some vintage monogram decals that are like 10 years newer than the kit. Yes, it did have a glue spot on the windshield, or a couple of them, I should say, when I got the kit. So I tried to sand that off and kind of tinted the top there, just kind of hide it, but it still shows it. But showing its age. Decals came out good for being as old they are. Did this in Tamiya X7 Red, and this is a mix of Tamiya Flat Red and Gloss Red. Chassis done in Flat Red, body's done in Gloss Red. Then we got the blue engine there, block. I forget what the kind of blue it was. And I got a modified exhaust with the drive shaft on there, which my wheelbase did not come out right, but I thought I had it right. And show you the engine compartment here. Got that big block engine there. Looks like GM, I'm not sure. Got the radiator. Everything, it looks okay. Not my greatest work right here. I don't know if it's builder's error or being an old Mpc kit with the two-piece chassis. So just thought I would put that up, and I'll put a slideshow after it just to kind of show it off and see what you guys think. And thanks for watching and following my little build video on this one. And Merry Christmas and Happy New Year's to you guys. So thanks for watching and have a good day, guys. Bye.